Well, this was a result of about, I don't know, maybe 10 miles off-road, and I pushed it like pretty decently. And, you know, I was kind of waiting to ride until I got the suspension done. But then I was like, yeah, whatever. Like, if it breaks, it breaks. And I don't think you can see it, but this is all just rear shock fluid. Completely blew out. It's just dripping down the, see if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it in there. It's just dripping down the shaft. So, it's time. Making a huge mess. All right, you can see the shock's still dripping oil. I power washed it after riding it, but here, look, there's nothing left. Pretty funny. All right, so we had our first major failure on the 650 today. I've been kind of hesitant to ride this thing until I felt like I got all my projects done, but I think I've had it now for 8 months, something like that, and I was like, I'm ready to take it for an actual rip. So I rode it for, I think, maybe like just under 10 miles all on the track today, and completely blew out the rear shock. So not a big deal because it was all getting replaced anyway, but to be honest, like, this motivates me even more to get the suspension done because I had a ton of fun. The thing rips, to be honest. It surprised me quite a bit. The tires that we just put on a couple weeks ago felt really good. I have my parts list from Race Tech. We're going to do the gold valve front and rear, springs front and rear, and all the parts. I think it's like $1,200, and that doesn't include some of the labor costs. I'm going to have somebody help me and give them some cash just because I don't have the tools to do everything. Yeah, I'll work an overtime shift or two to be able to order some suspension. And stay tuned. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to more with this old hog. I'm excited to get it dialed in and really go rip it.